Hey folks, this is David at Grow and Eat This. It's the day after Christmas. I hope all of you had a great Christmas, great Hanukkah, great whatever it is that you have. And I'm northeast of Atlanta, Lawrenceville, Georgia, Zone 7, and day after Christmas, it's almost 70 degrees. Almost 70 degrees. Here's one of the little Christmas presents. Come here. Hey, Gracie. 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 Come here. I hope you can see me slipping her little cookie here. Oh, yeah. She's going to be our new garden dog. Going to be my buddy out here in the garden. What we're going to do today is we're going to plant some cauliflower. Some unbelievable cauliflower. I've had these indoors. This is Snow Crown. Snow Crown Candied Charm. Those two varieties have worked for the last 3 years here. They are a very short season. You don't get a great big head, but you get it quick. And our weather here is so uncontrollable that quick is about the best you can ask for. So we really like these. I'm going to put them here in this bed that we've had covered in chips. This bed was all peppers. Now it's been covered in chips. We're going to work it up, put a row of compost in the middle with some fertilizer. We're going to plant these cauliflowers. Then we're going to cover them with a net because, believe it or not, we still got butterflies flying around. And they'll be laying those loopers. Boy, and them loopers love cauliflower plants. So, now that you know what we're going to do, I'll set the camera up so you can see. Hey, what are you doing over there? You're just rolling, huh? Yeah. This is Gracie. Gracie would say hi, but Gracie enjoys the sunshine. We've had her for 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. She's 5 months old. That means a full night's sleep is no longer a possibility. Somewhere between 3 and 4 she's up overnight, gotta go out and pee. And we're still working on all that good stuff. But check her out. Good looking dog. So, let's get to getting this stuff planted. We're going to start out pulling the mulch back. Haley, stop. Run a raw compost. And we're going to add a balanced fertilizer, organic. And mix it in. Nice roots. Then we're going to move the mulch back in. There's that row planted, and we'll continue down to the next bed and do the exact same thing. Alright, we've got them all planted, and they are all looking nice. They're in fresh compost, fresh organic fertilizer, got a nice wood chip mulch around them. Now I got my frames up. I got to go get my tulle, T-U-L-L-E fabric, and I'll put that over to keep the bugs down. And that's just a clunky pain in the neck, cutting that stuff and weaving it. So I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. So I've got these all planted. Looks like they need me to water them in, which I'll get ready to do. We've got, I guess, 2 or 3 days before a bunch of rain comes in, but it's supposed to be 50s at night, high 60s, maybe low 70s during the day. Just outstanding weather for these guys to be getting used to being in the ground. I've been bringing them out, let them catch some UV rays. Now we're going to get them going, which means in end of December, so January, February, sometime in February, we're going to be picking this as fresh cauliflower once again, if we don't get a super duper freeze. So this is David at Grow and Eat This, Zone 7. Still getting the gardening going outside. Gotta love it.